What's up, YouTube? So I finally got my blower motor in for the Hello, Honda Civic. Finally got it in, so I can work on the blower motor and it can stop making noise. I have my little mic on that I got from my mom for Christmas. My brother actually gave me some mics too, but they don't have the other piece that connects to the phone, so I need to get that piece. But for right now, I rock these little ones. But we're about to knock this out. But y'all already know, if you ain't subscribed to the channel, go ahead, subscribe, like, and comment. But I actually bought this blower motor off of eBay for $100. You can see, brand new. Bought off eBay for $100. I called Advance today when I pulled it out, and it was making noises and stuff. And they was saying they wanted $100. And I was like, $100 or find another one that's cheaper. Found it was on eBay for $40. I also looked on Rock Auto. They sell them for about $40 to $50. So I was like, could I wait? So I waited. And now we about to try to knock this out real quick. I'll pull that little panel off. Because you already seen me pull it off last time. So this little panel right here, you put your hand in there. Just pull. This little bracket right here. Need a pop. There you go. Without breaking anything. Yep. Didn't break nothing. Just my little plastic piece. So what we're gonna do is take these bolts out. First, I am gonna do. Flip y'all around so y'all can see what piece this is. This will be on the back of that plastic piece. I need to pop that little thing out on the side. Hold on, let me flip this real quick. Alright, so and this I think it was a T20 last time I did it. Let's get this out. Give me a little tool. I just scrape my little hand. How did I pull it out? Yeah, I pulled it out. That little piece. Alright. We go the wrong way. Drop that bolt. Get in there. Drop that bolt over there. And get this last one way back here. Oops. Got that out. Plug off there. Dang it, out there. Yeah. Out with the old. Oh, we're not. Let's take the new one out the box. I haven't even pulled this thing out the box yet. Been sitting in this box since I bought it. Oh. And make sure this thing was coming out of the box. Make sure everything right on here. Make sure it's the exact same as the other one. Yep, exact same. Everything the same. Holes line up in the same spot. Cuts and all that the same. I see. New, old, new, old. Let's plug this up real quick. Make sure I make no noise or not. That's the main thing. Make sure I make no noise. If it makes a noise, we in trouble. Alright. Plug it in there. Cross your fingers. Hopefully it don't make no noise. Use it. Oh, so smooth. Whew. $40 fix. Just like that. Alright. Cut this off. That way it won't cut on while I'm putting it back in now. We don't break none of the blades or nothing. So let's sit y'all back where y'all was at. Oops, sorry. Y'all was way up here. I'll back up. Alright. Got the bolts right there. I need a tool. I might need to unplug this just in case. Because you never know. Anything can happen. Alright, I'm back. I had to leave stuff out my phone. I had too much stuff in there. Had to make a little storage room. But I'm back. Let's put this back up there again. For the second time. There they hold on right there. Get you back in there. Put the other one in there. Kinda chill out here. Glad I did wait till later. The screen's just all in the way. Sorry about that. Get in there. Alright. Time to use up now. No. Y'all ain't doing that tight because it is plastic. You don't want to crack the plastic. Alright. Tighten up. Take this out real quick. Do this. Get it in now. Oh, now. There we go. There ain't that much wrong to work with this. I ain't got time for that. She tight. That's all I needed. And we can put this back in there. Wait a little bit. Put that back in there. Pots in there. And so we put the plastic piece back on. Cut it on. Hear what it sounds like in the car. She quiet. You can tell she blowing. I ain't take one of these things out and replace these. Put these in there and then pop these in all the way to these vents. And plus this vent right here broke. I need to put another one in here. That's copyright. You don't need those problems. But she blows pretty quiet. You can tell she worked. You don't feel that hear that what's called noise no more. Quiet now. But that's it. I do got some old parts in, but I don't think I'm gonna put them in this video. The way I can make another video instead of making this one long video. I'm just gonna make a few videos. Keys out this car. Put this plastic piece back on there and put the little tab piece that fell off when I pulled it out. There she goes. Put that back on there. Go the other way. Okay. That's the way I think it goes. And that's the way it goes. Alright. Let's put this piece back on there. Over there. This goes line up with that. That piece right here lines up that one. I don't think these pieces in which kind of here. Let me see. There it is. It felt like it wasn't at first. Alright. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this thing or not. I kind of don't want to. I don't want to trash it. If anybody wants it, they can hit me up. Before I throw it away. Because I kind of keep a lot of old stuff. And I don't need to do that. Because I got too much stuff already. I need to trash a lot of this stuff for real though. But I got a side little question I'm going to do tomorrow. Because I bought some Mustang rims a while back from my homeboy. And I just sold those yesterday. I didn't make no video or nothing about that. I bought the rims, they were black. I painted them silver. And actually, well, yeah, I did. I tripled my money on those, so I'm about to see if I can go buy another set of rims. I need to fix that too. I actually seen a whole, a headliner on Facebook Marketplace that I might end up buying. But yeah, I be doing some. I want to start buying stuff, fix them up, and selling them like little quick flips. So that's what I might do tomorrow. I don't know if I'm gonna record it or not. But if I do, yeah, I'll see. If I don't, oh well. I might show y'all when I get the rounds and do what I do to them then. But I'm out of here to the next video, to the stuff I got in the house I put on the car. Right. Appreciate y'all for watching the video. I didn't tell y'all. I tinted the windows. Did it myself. This is my first time ever doing it myself. It actually wasn't that bad. Like, the tint ain't that bad that I laid. But I probably end up redoing the driver's side because like something on the window at the top over there. Which I could redo that. I only paid like $35 or $40 just for the tint. It was these two windows the little back windows and the rear. I tried to do the rear myself. I messed it up, so I probably end up ordering some more tint, which wasn't nothing but what, $40. So I'm not mad about that. It can give me like a little learning curve of what to do and what not to do. So, and I'm still spending less than what I would pay somebody else. So I'm not even mad about that. But came out pretty nice, not bad. No tint on the back, but it's tinted on all these windows, those four. And I probably enter a clip of the rims that I painted. Probably just throw it in so y'all can see the ones that I did sell. If I get some more, y'all see those too. But to tint them myself, it ain't that bad. It could be a little bit better, but still, for my first time, not that bad. You don't see that many bubbles or nothing like that. So I can say it's a win for a little decent little tint.